Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'll be mentioning the top three essential dropshipping tools you need, a 2026 step by step guide. So, guys, if you want to succeed in dropshipping in 2026, you need the right tools. So, here are the top three essential dropshipping tools every beginner needs. I'm going to be mentioning up to four, but this is mainly the top three. All right, so the first tool you mostly need is Shopify. Shopify is the ultimate application or website when it comes to dropshipping. And why do you need it? Basically, you can use it to build a store in minutes. It also has a mobile optimized checkout system. You get secure payments and you can work with all dropshipping apps. So Shopify can be used with CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, AutoDS, Printify, and many other applications. When you open up Shopify and you simply log into the platform, you get to have access to a lot of things like the website builder. It has an artificial intelligence that can even help you curate your website in a manner in which it suits you. And not only that, but you can use the Shopify AI to generate store pages, product descriptions, and a copy page. Basically, Shopify's AI is so advanced that your theme, the colors, the animations can be edited using AI. You do not need any or you don't need any practical skills in order to use Shopify. All you need to do is just be aware and alert of what you're doing. Now, moving on to the next tool, which is either AutoDS or CJ Dropshipping. If you were to simply search up CJ Dropshipping, it's a reliable dropshipping platform that empowers dropshipping businesses, PODs, that's print on demands, and DTC brands that scale by linking source agents. So basically, that's what CJ Dropshipping does. All right, guys. So once you have clicked on CJ Dropshipping and you open it up, you can see that you're meant to subscribe, but I'm just going to go ahead and reject all of these. And it says here, fulfill your dropshipping dreams with CJ's all-in-one solution. So basically, they are a dropshipping business. You can say the same for AutoDS, where they maximize your profit and your free time with auto dropshipping tools. So you can get a $1 trial now and automate your dropshipping business using AutoDS. Finding winning products is now easier. One click import. So when you click on the AutoDS, that's after a Google search, you just click on autods.com. You can see here dropshipping growth made easy. Join our dropshipping family and learn from years of experience. Save time and automate your dropshipping processes. Enjoy discounted prices, step by step dropshipping courses, and ebooks made by top pros. And then dropshipping help center and one-to-one chats. You can see they are all available on the Shopify App Store. Like I told you, Shopify is one of the greatest dropshipping tools you could actually make use of. All right, now an honorable mention would be Zendrop. Zendrop is also a dropshipping platform that you can try out. We have Zendrop, and when you open up their main platform, it's also available on the Shopify App Store. The fastest way to start a profitable dropshipping business, top trending dropshipping products this week. You can see them here by just clicking on try for free. And some of the at fifth place, we have a cozy sports cars nest for pets, ultrasonic cleaner machine with over 2,500 sales. And yeah, that is what Zendrop can be used for. It's almost the same thing as Shopify, but Shopify outranks it with the use of artificial intelligence and some other things. All right, so moving on from these three, we also have, surprisingly, Canva. So you need to get content to get sales. That is why Canva is mentioned here. And what Canva basically does is it can be used to design product ads. It can create TikTok and Reel videos. Yes, Canva can. I'll show you in this case. When you simply search up Canva, when you simply search up Canva and click on canva.com and simply log on to Canva, you could actually use the Canva artificial intelligence that so it helps you with ad copies, captions, and branding. So Canva has an artificial intelligence which is called Canva AI. You can find it on their homepage here. You can click on it here and you can click on it here and simply switch over to Canva AI. Now, Canva AI is responsible for, generating ads. You can use it for your product ads, and you can use it to create TikTok, Instagram Reels, and the rest, and also generating thumbnails and banners as well. That is what Canva can be used for. All you need to do is just describe your idea, and the Canva AI will bring it to life. All right, so a bonus tool is ChatGPT, which is, the basic AI, but you can upgrade your ChatGPT to higher levels so you can gain access to more tools and more functionalities. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.